Uma Musume Pretty Derby review. Is this game worth your time? Let's get started. So Uma Musume is a free-to-play horse girl training racing gacha game recently released globally on PC, iOS, and Android. You train anthropomorphically horse girls inspired by real-world race horses. You can prepare them for races and attend post-race idol concerts. The game features a slice of life storytelling and then a strategic training and gacha system for collecting characters and support cards. So let's talk about its pros. So it has a highly polished presentation. They have gorgeous 3D graphics, cinematic race cutscenes, and rich soundtrack. It also has an addictive gameplay loop. They also have compelling story and character writing. And they have a massive popularity and positive receptions, with over 5,000 Steam reviews with 99% surprisingly positive. So let's talk about its cons though. So they have a heavy gacha monetization. So they have a low pull rates, and the support cards split mechanics make free-to-play progress slow. They also have repetitive mechanics, so the training and race loops grow stale over time. So in conclusion, is it worth your time? Well, yes. If you enjoy anime storytelling, management sims, and high production gacha games, it is worth your time. But if you dislike gacha mechanics, repetitive grind, or expected realistic horse racing, then it's not worth your time.